Area. Area is the measure of the surface of the plane covered by a closed plane figure. We can measure a region by a unit region and find out how many times the unit region is contained in the given region. Usually, a square region is taken as unit area. Units of area. The area of the small figure is measured in square centimeters or SQCM or cm square. The bigger area is measured in square meters or meter square. Look at the square shown in figure 1. It has length 1 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter. We say that it has an area of 1 centimeter square.
Now look at the figure 2. It is also a square. It is divided into 16 small squares. Its area is 16 centimeters square or 16 square centimeter.
Area of irregular figures. We can find the area of some irregular figures by counting squares on 1 centimeter square paper. Count the number of complete squares enclosed by the figure. Count the number of those squares in which more than half part is enclosed by the figure and treat them as one complete square. Count the number of those squares in which half part is enclosed by the figure and consider 2 half squares as one complete square. Ignore in which less than half part is enclosed by the figure. Multiply the number of squares in length and width to find the total area. Example 1. Find the area of the given figure. Solution. F is the full square, M more than half square, H half square. Number of full squares is 6. Number of more than half squares is 4. Number of half squares is 3. Area of the figure is 6 plus 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2 centimeter square. That is equal to 10 plus 1.5, which is 11.5 centimeter square. Example 2. Find the area of the given figure. Solution. Number of full squares is 9. Number of more than half squares is 10. Area is equal to 9 plus 10 centimeter square, which is 19 centimeter square. Formula for measuring area of a rectangle and square. The rectangle ABCD has been divided into squares of side 1 centimeter and the area of each square is 1 centimeter square. By counting, you can see that its area is 15 centimeter square. So area of rectangle is equal to number of unit squares in the rectangle. We can find area in another way. Number of squares in length is 5. Number of squares in breadth is 3. Therefore, area is equal to 5 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 15 centimeter square. Or, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. We know that square is a special kind of rectangle with all its sides equal. That is, in square, length 3 squares is equal to breadth 3 squares. Area of square is equal to length into length, or area of square is equal to side into side. Area of square is equal to side square. Example 1. Find the area of a rectangle with length is equal to 9 centimeters, breadth is equal to 7 centimeters. Solution. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B, which is equal to 9 centimeters into 7 centimeters, that is equal to 63 centimeters square. Remember, while finding the area of a square or a rectangle, it is necessary to have both the length and the breadth in the same unit. Example 2. Find the area of square whose side is 12 meters. Solution. Area of square is equal to side square, which is equal to 12 meters into 12 meters, that is equal to 144 meters square. To calculate the length or breadth of a rectangle, we use the following formulae. Length is equal to area divided by breadth. Breadth is equal to area divided by length.